It's warmer outside today, but it's also raining, so we can't win. Hi loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space I have the reveal to the collab that I invited you guys to about 2 weeks ago. This collab is called Inspired by DIY. It was supposed to be a collab with me and my sister Chrissy. However, she has been very ill lately, and luckily she is completely on the mend. So I'm not sure if she is going to be able to post a video or not. If she does, then yay. If not, then I will be doing this collab with you guys on my own, but I'm sure we'll do it again in the future. Now, what it is we asked you, or I asked you, to take an item that you were inspired by and duplicate it and make it yourself instead of going out and buying it. So I did this over the Christmas holiday with an ice bucket, and I will put a picture of it here. It was at Home Goods and it was $50. I thought it was really cute, but I already have ice buckets here at my house and I couldn't justify spending $50 on that one. But I did haul a silver ice bucket from the Dollar Tree, and so I decided to create my own, and here it is. I think it came out really nicely. I ended up spending about $6 on it, and I love it. It is so much nicer to me than the one at Home Goods because of the price and the fact of the one at Home Goods has little wires around the crystals, and when you picked it up, some of them were sticking out and it kind of stuck to my hand. So now I have decided to make another project to kind of go along with it, and I will put a picture of it here. They also had a cocktail shaker that was covered in the same crystals, and I thought, hey, if I did the bucket, I could do the cocktail shaker. So that is my inspired by thing, and we are going to jump right into that. Also, I'm thinking they also had a tray that had a little bling to it, so I might do that too. So let's get started. And here you go. This is my final project. Now, the little shaker cup that I have, I already had in my possession, but it was on clearance at Home Goods not too long ago. They still have some there on clearance for $4. They had them all the way clearance down to $2 to be exact. I already had all of the gem crystals left over from when I did the ice bucket, and as you can see, they match perfectly. I added a few extra gems to the top of the shaker because I had enough left over. I also had enough left over to do that little tray I mentioned. I thrifted this tray in the summertime of last year, and I think it is a nice addition to this entire set here on my bar cart. And then also over here, if you look, you can see I have a cup with some stir sticks that say Happy Valentine's Day because it's that time of the season, and that is the initial shaker cup. I went back and I found that they had clearanced it down because the top got damaged. Now I still have the top, I just took it off because it is damaged, but it was regularly $30 and they clearanced it out for $7. So I thought it would be a nice addition to the set as well. So I'm really happy that my shaker cup was $4 and I didn't have to spend any extra money for the gems. So the entire project cost me $4. So that is it. I want to thank all the other participants in this collab for participating. I will have a playlist linked down below. I will also have a link that you can add your own video to that playlist. If you have trouble with that, just contact me and I will add it on there too. So you guys make sure you go over and show everyone some love and watch their videos who participated in this collab. I also want to thank you guys so much for watching, liking, and sharing all of my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacee Space, I don't know why not. We have a lot of fun here. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I do DIYs on the regular. I am going to be involved in another collab tomorrow with Angela's Hangout. It's Valentine's inspired, so you don't want to miss that. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it is spelled here. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.